Hi there, students. Realm. A realm. Okay, nowadays we just use the word realm to talk about an area of interest, an area of activity. So his interests are in the realm of politics. I work in the realm of the English language. Okay, so it's an area of interest. Um, it also means, and it was more common in the past, a realm is a country ruled by a king or a queen. Well, or ruled by someone. So a realm, a country or a place, a territory or a state ruled by a specific power, but most commonly ruled by a king or a queen. So the Queen's realm is the United Kingdom. Yeah, the realm. Normally, Normally when you they use the word kingdom, then this is a realm. This is a good place to use the word realm. So I don't know, the kingdom of Saudi Arabia, the realm of Saudi Arabia. It's a realm. It's under the power of a king. Yeah, it could be a place that is ruled by one single leader who's a duke. The Duchy of Luxembourg. This is a realm as well. Okay, but let's see, that's pretty technical and you're not really going to want to use it like this. But a realm, a sphere of influence. This is in the realm of psychology. Yeah, the realm. It's the domain, the place. Yeah, the sphere of influence. Um, okay, so yeah, the economic realm. Yeah, the area of economics. The realm of art, yeah, is for painters and musicians. Yeah, the realm of music. Um, this discussion is starting to move into the realms of the metaphysical. Okay, so yeah, you could say maybe the divine realm, the kingdom of God, the public realm, the things that are linked to the public, the realm of art. Yeah, in the realm of art, money is not everything. Okay, so a realm, a kingdom. Yeah, but a field of interest, a field of study. This belongs to the realm of the occult. Yeah. At night I go to the realm of dreams, yeah, to the kingdom, to the land, to the domain, yeah, to the region. Um, okay, so a country, defense of the realm of the country is crucial. You're always talking about things that are in the realm of fantasy. You need to keep your ideas in the realm of the possible. Yeah. Yes. Gossip lives in the realm of speculation about what might be true or not. I think in the realm of sport, in the sector, football is the most popular. So, next question, realm. How formal is this word realm? In the realm of, I'd give it a 5.5 in formality. I think you could use it anywhere when talking about a sphere of influence, a domain. But if you're talking about a country, yeah, the realm of the Queen, this is a bit more formal and I'd probably give it 7. So, realm, an area of interest, use anywhere. Um, okay, what about the origin? The origin comes from the from French, I'm sure of it. From this word royaume, royaume, yes, royaume, a kingdom, and that itself comes from Latin, maybe from regime, regimen, rex, talking about a king. Okay, so the realm, yeah, we've explored the realm of the word realm. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Realm.